Hey there, darling. This is Faith Hunter, author and global wellness expert, as well as your guide to soulful living. We're going to drop into this new moon solar eclipse in Aries, which is happening on March 29th, 2025 at 5:57 a.m. In this video, we will delve into the fiery and initiating energy of Aries, explore some astrological influences that are at play during this time, set some powerful intentions, and yes, towards the end, I'll share with you a sweet, transformative, guided meditation. So go on, grab a cup of tea, a glass of wine, whatever fits you, and let's drop into this solar eclipse energy. This new moon, positioned at 9 degrees Aries, offers a cosmic reset. All you have to do is press it. It is propelling us into new territories and some new experiences. Aries, it is known for its leadership, courage, and pioneering spirit. And it calls us to take bold steps. This eclipse intensifies these qualities, urging us to act decisively on matters we are passionate about. Now, alongside this eclipse, we have some other significant astrological movements. Venus. I love Venus. Okay, Venus is entering Taurus on this day, grounding our desires and bringing a nurturing quality to our aspirations. This harmonizes beautifully with Aries, I feel like, meaning with Aries' drive, providing stability to our fiery impulses, our passionate impulses. Additionally, Mars is squared Pluto, and that's creating a dynamic tension that demands transformation and the courage to release old patterns. This is definitely an ideal time for embracing change, asserting your individuality, and stepping into leadership roles. I want you to reflect on areas of your life where you've maybe felt held back, or consider how you can initiate some change in your own life. Let's do a little reflection and journal prompts. So know that you can grab a pen and paper if you want. And of course, you can pause, write down your thoughts, and then press play again. Here we go. Let's take a moment to just breathe. And then maybe even place one hand over your heart and the other hand on top of that. And I invite you to consider these two questions. First, ask yourself, what have you been avoiding that requires your immediate attention and bold action? I'll say that again. What have you been avoiding that requires your immediate attention and bold action? I want you to let that question guide you to acknowledge areas in your life needing assertive change. Okay, here's the second one. Contemplate and then write. How can you align your actions with your truest desires, ensuring they reflect your inner values and passions? One more time. How can you align your actions with your truest desires, ensuring they reflect your inner values and passions? Know that this particular prompt aims to connect your intentions with your actions, ensuring they resonate deeply with who you are authentically. Okay, take another deep breath in. Exhale, empty out. And let's begin to move into our guided meditation. Find a comfortable seat or know that you can rest on your back. Close your eyes or gently cast them down. And feel free to take a few cleansing breaths in and out of your nose. Know that as you exhale, you are releasing any tension from your body. And of course, when you inhale, you're drawing in that vibrant power, that vibrant energy of Aries. I encourage you to feel the energy as it radiates a red light at the crown of your head. This glowing red light descends through your entire body. It ignites your core with courage and vitality. Now begin to visualize yourself standing at the beginning of a new path. This path represents your journey forward, unmarked and open to limitless possibilities. What does that path look like? Where does it lead? See yourself taking steps along this path. And I want you to imagine planting seeds of intention. With each step, each seed, a manifestation. Each seed is a manifestation of your dreams and goals. See these beautiful seeds taking root in the fertile ground of your potential. Each one, a commitment to action in alignment with your deepest desires. Continue to walk this path with confidence, knowing that with each step, you are supported by divine energy. You are supported by your guides, your angels, and your ancestors. And then pause. Allow yourself to be present along this path. And as you gaze out in quiet reflection, feel the support of the universe. Feel the divine energy supporting you as you continue to plant your intentions. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, empty out. Slowly and gently bring your awareness back into the present moment. Now, as you open your eyes, I want you to hold on to the energy and insights gained through our time together. Let them guide you in your daily actions and decisions, empowering you to live boldly and authentically. Now, if this session resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more soulful guidance. And if you're ready to deepen your wellness journey, consider joining my Spiritually Fly membership, where you will find a variety of practices like meditation, yogic movement, and breath work that can support you through all phases of your life. And thank you so much, darling, for joining me under this new moon solar eclipse in Aries. And remember, embrace your path with courage and love. Shine your light brightly. And of course, stay spiritually fly. Ciao.